Hi, I'm Michelle Tasillo from Pink Monkey Events, here to show you how to make a centerpiece with posies. Posies, believe it or not, are actually a single flower or a small cluster of flowers. I'm excited to show you how to make this gorgeous centerpiece. Today I chose all white. I figured it was romantic, it was cute, and really shabby chic. People love shabby chic, and since we did little mini containers, I figured it really definitely adds to this great centerpiece. I also added a lace tablecloth, so this way it really pulls everything together. I actually got gorgeous, really adorable ranunculus. I love them because they're really nice and fluffy, and they're great for single stem. So we're just gonna cut these and just put them in. So I'm going to use some tall stock, which is a great fluffy flower as well. So I'm just gonna add this in a tall vase. I also am using some roses. And the only supplies you need for this are little mini containers, like your grandmother might have little containers that you can use. And again, it's really simple, really small, and it doesn't matter what combination you use. So here you have it, your romantic setting, shabby chic, posy table setting, and it's really beautiful. You can accomplish so much for just a little amount of flowers.